We're going on top of that mountain eventually.
Oh shit! Puff.com.
What up, homies? Oh, week's missing. Edward Puffton. Man, I don't care about no Edward Puffton.
Oh, word. Man, this game looks good. I am so excited to play this
75
game, bro.
kilograms.
Ever since the first
63
one.
years old. How heavy is 75 kilograms in weight?
I don't know, that's British people talk.
165 pounds? This dude weigh less than me?
Trash.
Ain't no way.
Oh, here's my computer.
Bet I can beat his ass though. Can I do anything? Oh, I'm looking through. Okay, okay. Okay. I wonder what those little dots are. Sights?
Oh, there's multiple people missing? Well, close that shit. I'm tired of looking
yeah,
at them.
for real. Don't need that.
Fight demons. What a stupid tattoo.
For real, bro.
Oh shit!
Oh, snap. We're shooting at it. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. What the heck? We're going down. Oh.
I'm hanging from a tree, bro. I look goofy.
I survived, though, because I'm a goat.
No, for real.
I'm him. Well, I'm hanging like that, though.
Quit playing. Well, it looks like our, oh, no show live.
Nah, he's straight.
Yeah, he's just getting down like
Snap.
nothing is wrong.
Sky, my dog.
Bro, you gonna
Yo,
drop?
be careful. Be careful.
Uh-oh.
Ain't no way.
Ain't no way he just died.
Alright, just pull yourself up. No, dog. You are a trained soldier. No way you just did that. Oh, we're just landing on his dome.
Uh-oh, just pulled out a knife. So you watch someone just die to their death and you're gonna do the same thing.
Oh shit, that looks like a bad idea. Let me do it. Ain't no way, dog.
Uh-oh. I just got punched in the face by a man
Bro,
in
you're
chrome.
spoiling it. You're like 3 seconds ahead of me, bro. Yo. Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, we're on like the sandy beaches of Normandy.
Okay, how's it now?
Is it a lot better?
It's playable.
Get some
Kind of
duct
carbon
tape.
fiber.
Okay, I
Bro.
just fucking chugged like 20 pills.
Nice. Good job.
Thank you, I feel like Juice WRLD.
Hey, yo.
Oh, eyes open inventory. Holy shit.
That's good. Yo, who are they?
Please don't tell me it's already.
Yo, why they standing like they in an album? Look at them. Oh, what up, dude?
Alright, got my. Oh, it's that guy. I see what you mean.
The most hottest album cover of all time, bro.
Let's go look.
Hold on, brother. I'm coming, bro. Hold on. Yo, what is big man's problem with that?
Yeah, these guys are definitely not posing for an album cover.
What you mean?
Let you come look for yourself while I kill this fucking seagull. Thank you. Yes, sir. Chop, chop.
Melvin.
Whoa.
I have small rock.
Alright, no more. But I am gonna take your skin, Mr. Bird. Because bird is the word.
Why is my mouse sensitivity so fucking low? Have you tried opening up your thing yet, bro?
Dude, my mouse sensitivity is so high.
No, you think that now, but open up your inventory and, like, try to grab, like, I don't know, your fucking axe or something.
Yeah, it's still not that slow, bro.
Really?
No.
Alright. Yo, Kanye, what you doing out here, bro?
For real, it's imposing on the rocks.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Definitely not Posing.
Kelvin, why you run like that?
Bro's yeet.
Why you run like that, Kelvin?
How does he run?
Come on.
Bro, he does run goofy as fuck, bro. Look at like he shit his pants.
Oh god, bro, look at this goofy Alright,
Alright, bro, let's go.
I pick up small rock.
Let's go look around.
Make sure we got everything from here.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
2 grenades, my bad. Let me just grab onto that. Carbon fiber arrow, some flares.
Yeah. Alright. You wanna go scout?
Yeah, we gotta go explore
scout
this
on
place. Are you kidding me, dude? Learn basic construction. Oh, this is the 2nd edition. I see. Switch modes.
Okay. Hint. Was mode.
Alright. How do I... No, I get it. But you can go away now.
It just switches hands.
How did I...
Yeah, for real. I'm trying to.
Okay, how do I...
Okay.
What did I
What
click?
did we click to put this?
Oh
What did we
my
click to-
god.
Was it B? It was B. It was B. It was B.
B? Okay, good.
Yeah.
Stuck in the fucking menu.
Motherfucker. Hold on, dude. I'm trying to make it to where my axe will stay out in my freaking hand. Cause
Yeah, where did Max go?
it's back in your inventory, bro. Every time you pick and like do something. it
Equip your
fucking
GPS tracker by pressing M.
yeah. The map.
We gotta find Team B.
Yo, wait. There's a rock thing right here. You see the thing on the map?
Yeah, you looking at your GPS?
Just looking at the normal little mini map. Oh, look, look.
Barrels?
No, there's a cave.
Oh shoot!
I go in the cave.
Yeah,
hold on. Let me see if I have any pain pills first or something.
you should.
I'm like so low health.
Let me like. Okay.
There we go.
There we
Cool.
go.
Oh, and this one actually, when you eat a fucking thing, when you
Alright, let's go in the cave.
dude, I need another. And you just fucking whack my shit.
I did not mean to whack your shit.
I don't have any more pills now, bro.
I got
if I get fucking
pills.
beat up, it's fucking tough.
How do I? Can I give you pills?
Last time we had to give each other shit, we had to put it on a fucking plate.
Oh yeah. Look, maybe we'll find some pills in here.
Yo, my lighter's purple. What is that? Oh, it's one of those new lighters.
Oh, how do you? Where the hell's my lighter at?
It's L.
L.
Oh, L game to reach my chain.
But you're a
Yo.
Mexican guy.
What is this? What?
But we got some plasma lighters. Whoa, what a lag
Yeah,
spike.
for real.
Okay,
Alright, brother.
so we can go over. Okay, you're going this way.
I didn't know there are 2 ways of going. Let's take this a little slow, my brother. I'm not sure anything
Yeah.
about.
I don't know what's in this cave.
Yeah.
You hear walking? Oh, it's bats. I was like, yeah, we're dead. Yeah. So you're telling me in all these caves they have these? Oh, yeah, no, I'm definitely turning that back on.
What's that? Oh, right in my ear. It literally just went right in my fucking ear, bro.
Got a raindrop dripping on you. Alrighty.
A rope?
Is there a rope?
No. Oh, it's water.
Goofy goober. Alright, time to check down right here. Okay, there's a
Nothing.
A
No.
floaty. Oh, here's a dead
It
guy.
was Hardy and Hardy down here.
Look up right here. Okay, run. Run, we're leaving.
Oh my God.
We're leaving.
I want to look at him. Let's take a little look at him, bro. Maybe he's friendly.
I don't think you understand what it is. It's running at us! Run! You better book it, dude.
No, I'm booking.
I think it stopped. It stopped.
Man, I was running for the hills, bro.
No, dude, it's fast. It's not like the other game. These things are
No, not at all.
bullet speed. Oh my god, I see it, but it's right there. You want to try to beat it up?
I do, actually. Alright, let's go get this mug.
Oh my god, it does so much damage.
Oh my god, you're right.
I'm dead. And I killed it.
Oh my lord, bro. We just have to respawn. Maybe we're not ready to go down there yet.
Yeah, clearly. What is happening?
Oh, what the fuck?
Ew.
Ugh.
What is this? Oh! We're still in the cave.
What the fuck?
We got trapped up top. Hang on, let me. Oh yeah, it's L.
Alright. Well, we killed him.
Yeah, we're back where we
But
are.
I can't fight anything else. I'm super low health.
Yeah,
Like,
me too.
So, wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where are we?
This way is the exit. The way you were going.
I want to see if that big. You say you killed him, huh?
Yeah, but we
see if he-
respawned, so I don't know if he's still dead. We can look though.
Is we loot him. If he not, we run. How looking?
He's dead.
Hey. Can we take big man?
Yep. Yes, sir. Creepy armor collected.
Hey.
Let me eat some pills real quick.
You lucky dog. Nah, bro, we can't. I can't go any further.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Let's get out
Oh,
of
there's
here.
a paddle.
That's what I'm saying. There's a guy trapped up there. Okay, let's
Oh.
start going. Let's start going. They're coming.
I didn't even look behind, bro. I just trusted and ran.
There's another way if you wanna go that way. Or
No,
you
I
wanna
don't have enough health for that. I think we should go explore up first.
make a base.
Yeah. We're trying to jump too far ahead, bro. We can't do that like we did in the normal forest.
Definitely not.
No way it's dark outside, bro.
I think
No,
we're
it's daytime.
Okay, good.
I'm about to say, bro. We're fucked. Alright, bro. We're on the beach of Normandy. You can go anywhere, do anything. Dude, this map is huge, dude.
It looks like it. Alright, so we got 3 objectives to do right now. You wanna go do
Where's
them?
Kelvin?
Oh fuck, we lost Kelvin. Oh look on the minimap. Look on the minimap. Here he is.
Kelvin! Yo!
What up, Kelvin?
Alright, Kelvin, let's go.
Alright, press B. No, not B. Press
M?
Yes. You see those purple thingamabobs?
Yeah.
That's what we gotta go do.
Why?
Cause that's the objective, man.
That green beacon.
I don't know, but we're gonna check it out. And we're gonna have to kill animals and shit.
Yeah.
This is a big ass beach, dude.
Facts. Bro, just what I'm looking at right now is like more than it was bigger than what like the old forest map was.
For real.
'Cause to
And-
be honest, the islands are pretty small. Like it took us 5 minutes to go all the way across the map.
And it definitely wasn't. It definitely was quick. And the running's a lot longer. Like a lot longer.
Well, the map is a whole lot bigger. Has to be.
Can I drink this water? I sure can.
Can you?
Yep.
It's not letting me.
Just look straight down.
There we go. I have to tell you something. Look. Maybe it was you.
What?
It said something was looking at me, but it might have been you looking at me. Well, no, it's still down. Maybe it's Kelvin. Kelvin, you looking at me? Quit it.
You're looking at your ass, bro.
Picking up these rocks.
Picking up a bunch of rocks.
Where the berries at, though?
On some bushes.
Trying to look for them narco berries.
Fucking ragdoll myself out of here, bro.
You know, there's already a wood duplication glitch.
And what?
This.
Seriously?
Yeah, there's a log duplication glitch already.
Alright, we're almost there.
Let's see what it's all about. What if we just pull up and there's like fucking thick arms he's on fucking steroids?
Bro, this is a fucking boss. Oh, there's something. Ew! Oh, shoot!
Hey, little guy.
Get the freak out of here. Bruh. What even are you guys?
I don't know, but that one's dead for show.
For sure, for sure. Oh, shit, behind you?
Ass, hey.
This man has a
My
bone.
boy.
This man has a bone in his hand. Whoa!
Kelvin, get his ass. What are you doing?
He's definitely not on our team. Yeah. You're
He's
dead.
not dead. Go.
Oh, this is a cannibal camp.
Oh, shit.
Let's go beat him up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, he blocked my shit?
Yeah.
Die. That's right.
He
Whoa.
killed me already, dude. He one-tapped me.
Ain't no way.
I'm so serious.
I'm coming for the revive. Oh, you revived yourself. No, you didn't.
No, I didn't.
There you go.
That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT. Oh my god, he came back to one-tap me, dude.
Oh my god.
I was just trying to get my axe out. He came back, bro.
Oh, he
Did
killed
he run
me.
away again?
He got me.
He got you?
Yeah.
Fuck. Alright, this one's a little tougher, bro.
Just a little bit.
Just a little tougher, bro. It's only on normal.
Hey, we spawned right where we... Oh, we're trapped?
Yeah. What the?
Gotta cut ourselves down.
Hey, help me out!
He's just standing there.
Kelvin, what are you doing, man? God!
Yep.
He's a sellout.
Put this backpack back on.
Oh, God. I like how you spawned where you died.
For real, it's a lot better than spawning back out whatever.
Kelvin, what are you doing, man?
For real, Kelvin. You're pissing me off,
They
Kelvin.
got any food or drugs or energy bar? I might do it.
Oh, yeah.
All they got is tape. Wow, all they got is tape. What do they want with the tape?
I got some printer resin. For real, bro. There's so much tape
How many
everywhere.
people they ate?
Some coins on the ground? Yes, sir. Don't mind me.
Coins, watches? Yo, we rich.
Alright.
Hold on, brother. I need to find something to eat. I mean, I'm about to eat this energy bar right here. Does that help? Does that heal me? Please heal me. Only a tiny little smidget.
Hang on. Can I
Oh.
cook this?
Grenades. Printer resin.
Craft a spear.
Skin pouch. Why do I need the skin pouch? What would I need that for?
To carry skin, obviously.
Shut your bitch ass up.
But dude, that's what it's for. Alright, you ready? Let's go to this purple marker to the left of us.
Hold on. There we go. Purple, why don't we go to the green one?
I'm pretty sure this is another camp.
You think so?
That's what the... Wait. Didn't we go to it? Wasn't that a green spot that we went to?
Pretty sure we didn't make it.
You're absolutely right. We didn't make it. There's a nice little trail for us, too.
Oh, God. It's too good to be true. We shouldn't be walking on this.
They be lurking. Alright, let's
They'd
see.
be waiting on this path.
Let's see where.
Alright, let's see what this is about.
Uh,
Does it move? No, it doesn't move. It doesn't do anything either. There's nothing here.
Oh, here we go.
What?
A golf cart.
Hey, yo. Can we whip? Can we get in the whip?
I wish.
Oh God, bro. Fucking going up the creek in a whip.
Bro.
Why are there golf carts here?
Oh, there's another one right here. You telling me we can't drive this?
Oh God, bro. That hoe look perfect condition.
Nah,
I drive that hoe.
No, for real, for real. We need to get to the purple marker, man. Oh, here he comes.
Kelvin, don't do it. Kelvin, don't do it again.
Oh
You
my god.
motherfucker.
Well, we found the guy.
Can we?
Oh,
we can.
Oh, what a genius. I'm dropping down.
I'm not doing that. I don't have meds. I'm not just jumping down.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that either. Alright, man. I'm looting them. There's one GPS located.